everyone. So today I am going to cook pink sauce pasta in Food Chemistry's kitchen. So we all know the pasta is like the Italian cuisine and it is with veggies and meat and everything. So I am going to do a vegetable pink sauce pasta. I have roughly chopped onions. So these are 2 onions. 2 to 3 small chilies I have taken. I have cut it into this way so that it will give you a nice flavor. So I am basically going to prepare a sauce by myself. I have been taken 2 tomatoes and I have kept it on a boiling water, and I am going to use this premium pasta. This is the spiral version, so you can also use penne, spaghetti, it's completely your wish. For the tomatoes and tomato sauce, I have boiled these tomatoes. I have taken 2 tomatoes, so you can see the skin is coming out, and you just have to remove the eye of this tomatoes and just grind it into a thick paste. Remember, do not put water into it, just grind them as it is. And simultaneously I will tell you the process of white sauce also. So I have taken 3 tablespoons of maida, which is all-purpose flour, and I have taken a small cup of milk. So we will prepare white sauce and simultaneously we will start preparing the red sauce. So we are almost in the process of white sauce pasta. I have put the maida and ghee and milk. So you have to make sure that the maida don't remain raw. It should be cooked thoroughly, a little brownish. This will form a lump like this. You can keep adding milk to make it a smooth consistency. Start now the process of red sauce. The kadhai is almost heated up. It's time to pour oil. So 3 tablespoons of oil I have put. So as I have mentioned earlier that we have to boil the tomatoes and make it a puree. So I have made that puree. Now once the oil is heated up, you can put this puree. The tomatoes are getting cooked. It's time to put the chilies and the onions. As we can see that we have made the white sauce, it's getting thicker. So I am planning to put this in this so that it can be cooked here. I think this is almost done. The pink color has already appeared, as you can see, and the sauces have been cooked properly. Leave the vegetables little raw so that it can be taste deliciously. It's time to put the cooked pasta. So I have cooked this pasta almost 80% and a little bit I have kept it raw so that it will be cooked in the sauces. And you can just a tip, you can put a little salt and little oil so that it will be boiled in a nice way. Mix it well. It looks very rich and creamy. So the pasta is almost ready. You can do garnishing. So here I am using Kia's pasta seasoning. So this will give you another nice, authentic flavor. So just sprinkle. You can also make use of chili flakes. Similarly, I am using the Kia's red chili flake. So if you want to make a little spicy flavor to your pasta, you can add it. it's almost ready to serve. So my Italian dish for today's dinner is almost ready. You can serve this dish with garlic bread. I'm just going to make that soon. And also you can make roasted toast or something like that. That will be a complete meal. So keep checking out my channel for more recipes. Thank you.